Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. After being very weak for so many days, there are some signs of revival in the market. So as the market bottomed out, we do not know exactly because November 21 or 22, I don't remember exactly. So last year, the Nifty fell, and on that day, the Nifty closed around 23,350. And after that, shot up nearly 1,500 points, came down and broke that level. And after that, consistently, Nifty was closing below that level for the last so many days. Today, first time it tried to take out, but last minute selling, Nifty closed slightly below that level. Nifty actually closed at 23,344, just 6 points shy of that level. So everybody is waiting for Nifty to close above this level. Meanwhile, global markets have been very good. So probably that is the reason. Another reason is that Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank has shot up nearly 9% today. Who would have thought? Kotak Bank is a long time underperformer. I remember Kotak Bank was trading around this level even 5 years before. A 5 year almost Kotak Bank return was zero, right? In between, it went even to 2000. The people say Warren Buffett has actually taken the flight. Warren Buffett flying to India to buy Kotak Bank, this and that. But finally, the stock always used to fall. This long time underperformer today after the result was not really very good. Infosys result was really very good. Their revenue was up 8%, profit was up 11%, the guidance was increased, but despite that, that stock has fallen so much. Kotak Bank, the result compared to last year, it was okay, but compared to last quarter, the result was not really very good. But, the stock market is all about how much shorts are there in the system. Probably there was a huge shorting in Kotak Bank after the Axis Bank result. So there was a short covering. And today, Kotak Bank and Wipro are the stars. At the same time, FMCG index has fallen, auto index has fallen. Of course, we can understand. Hindustan Unilever is coming out with results on Wednesday, right? Auto index, is just for a normal market conditions. Okay? There were some stock-specific news. People are expecting some kind of a relief in this AGR dues for Idea. So Idea is shot up. Bharti is also doing well. Bharti and Bajaj Finance, they are coming together to create a digital platform. So because of that, Bajaj Finance was up, Bajaj Finserv was up, right? Wipro and Kotak, they are higher because of results. So overall, though there was a dip in the morning, of course, today's quota FIIs have to sell, right? Today morning, when there was a gap up, the markets fell. And after falling nearly about 120 points from day's high, markets moved steadily higher. And in the afternoon, there was no selling. So as expected, today FIIs have sold another 4,300 crores. Domestic institutions have bought for equivalent amount. So what I suspect, these FIIs and DIIs, they meet with each other before the market. They tell, today I'm going to sell this much. So that's why, the domestic institution buying figure almost matches every day with their selling. Now, today there is some unusual phenomena. If the market has already fallen so much and there are signs of recovery, and first day when the market moves significantly higher, today I think Nifty has shot up nearly 230 point higher from intraday low. Usually in this kind of scenario, the volatility index will fall. But today, on the contrary, the volatility index was higher. In the morning, I was watching both put prices and call prices, both were trading higher than Friday. That was unusual thing. So it is unusual for volatility index to shoot up when the markets are going higher. So that means that the fear is there still in the minds of the people. So though markets have recovered so much, though Nifty is trying to close around 23,350, the fear is actually going higher in the minds of the people. So therefore, we are still not out of the woods. That's what I can say. So the problem is not completely over. So maybe we can wait for a few more days. Wednesday, HDFC Bank result will come. Hindustan Unilever result will come. So after that, who knows? The things can subside. So looking at the open interest, is expected 23,200 call option has been seen some unwinding. People started selling put options aggressively 23,200 and 23,000, and now people definitely, because today US market is closed and tomorrow markets are not likely to make a big move. Then Wednesday, also people will not like to short after seeing the Kotak Bank. People will not dare to short HDFC Bank on Wednesday. So market is expected to trade sideways, as I've been saying, 23,000 to 23,500. So let us see tomorrow morning. So what's going to happen? But as of now, GIFT Nifty is slightly down by looking at the FII selling. But these FIIs are not going to stop selling anytime soon. And I've already released a video. Only the crying baby gets the chocolate. So the stock market baby will have to cry until February 1. Then only the finance minister will give some chocolate. Otherwise, she will not give any chocolate. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.